run too hard, so we'll probably do some walks in the woods first. Hey, Doneen, how you doing? Thanks for joining us. Perfect day out today. Not too hot. Nice spring weather. What do you think, Moose? You catching bugs? Good boy. Oh yeah. Yeah, they're missing their daily wrestle match. Well, the wrestle match is all day long pretty much when they're together, so I don't want him to push his limits yet. He's just getting better. I'd hate for him to re-injure it. But I think he is almost good enough to start going on walks again, right, Moose? Hey, Memes and Edits. How are you today? Good, good. Yeah. Better safe than sorry. He keeps on seeming like he's doing well, and then he'll do these extreme zoomies, and it seems like that re-aggravates it a little bit, and then he starts kind of hobbling a little bit, walking with a little bit of a limp. So I think him and Raven wrestling is probably the worst thing for it right now. But we're about ready to start going on some more mellow walks. We'll go out on the trail in the woods. Nothing too fast. Right, Moose? You're a good boy. Say hi to everybody. There, he's a good boy. Yes, pets for the Moosey boy. This hole right here, that's gonna be a project. I have to fill that in. It's getting bigger. Right on the edge of the fence, that's no good. Not big enough for them to fit through or anything, but still gotta fill it in. Moose, don't eat too much of that grass, buddy. You make yourself puke again.